everybody, it's Miss Karen from the Hancock Town Library. And, Wilbur? Wilbur, what's going on?
It's raining.
Oh, it's raining? So, are you hiding under the umbrella?
Yeah, I don't like getting wet.
Oh, well, I don't think it's raining right this minute.
Okay. I really don't like getting wet.
I understand. Would you like to hear some stories about rain?
It depends.
Depends on what?
Does it stop raining eventually? That's a big word.
Well, you'll have to see, but your umbrella is right here, so if you get wet, you'll be fine. I just miss seeing you. I don't want you hiding under the umbrella. Silly Wilbur. Okay. I have a book called Move Over Rover. What kind of animal is Rover? Yeah, he is a dog. Written by Karen Beaumont and illustrated by Jane Dyer. Move over Rover. Let me just move this back a little bit. Here we go. All right. All set, Wilbur?
Yep.
Okay. Rover's in the doghouse, chewing on a bone. What a day to romp and play. Too bad he's all alone. Oh my, look at the sky. Thunder, lightning, mighty frightening. Rain is pouring. Oh, how boring. Rover's in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. Cat is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Move over, Rover. She wants to get in too. Cat's in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. Raccoon is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Skit, scat, cat, move over, Rover. Raccoon's in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. Squirrel is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Make room, Raccoon. Skit, scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Squirrel's in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. Blue Jay's looking all around to find a place that's warm. Squeeze in, squirrel. Make room, Raccoon. Skit, scat, cat. Move over, Rover. It's getting kind of crowded in there. Blue Jay's in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. Snake is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Out of the way, Blue Jay. Squeeze in, squirrel. Make room, Raccoon. Skit, scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Snake's in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. Mouse is looking all around to find a place that's warm. There's the mouse. Slide aside, Snake. Out of the way, Blue Jay. Squeeze in, squirrel. Make room, Raccoon. Skit, scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Tight fit. Might split. Sorry, mouse. Full house. Crowded in the doghouse. All are sleeping well. But then, sniff, sniff. They catch a whiff. What's that awful smell? Skitter, scatter, what's the matter? Scamper, scurry, what's the hurry? There they all go. Ooh, that's what was so smelly. Skunks in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. The rest are racing round to find another place that's warm. Oh my, look at the sky. Storm's over. Where's Rover? Romping, racing, jumping, chasing? No. Rover's in the doghouse, chewing on a bone. Soaked and sopping, tail flip-flopping, happy he's alone. Ah, the sun came out. Did you hear that? Wilbur, the sun came out at the end. I know, I like them when that happens. I have a really short story. But the pictures are absolutely beautiful. It's called Blue on Blue by Diane White and illustrated by Beth Cromes. And I believe she lives in New Hampshire. Cotton clouds, morning light, blue on blue, white on white. Singing, swinging, outdoor play, white on blue on sunny day. Clouds swell, winds blow bolder, weather changes, air grows colder. Gray on gray, dark and glooming, black on black, storm is looming. Thunder, lightning, raging, roaring, rain on rain is pouring. Streaming, gushing, racing, rushing, rain on rain. Pounding, hounding, noisy sounding, dripping, dropping, never stopping. Never stopping, dripping, dropping. Rain on rain. Then winds shift, drops drip. Drip, drop, slowly, slowly. Stop! Sun sneaks back, warms the air. Muddy, muddy. Everywhere. Sun sets. Time to go. Moon rises, golden glow. Glitter stars, twinkling light. Black on gold on silver night. The end. Wilbur, guess what? I think it stopped raining.
It did!
You can come out.
Yay! It's a sunny day!
Well, I hope you enjoyed these rain and sunny stories, and I will see you next week. Have a great week. Bye.